Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video, today we should discuss very difficult problem, which is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 and divided by 5. If you are genius, then comment and check your brain. And if you are student, then follow my method. I can solve in this video this expression step by step. Okay, so mostly person can take this mistake that he can write it is 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 divided by 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. And now 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. But student, this method is wrong, because in this expression there are 3 division is included. So firstly we can solve these from left to right. 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1, divided by 5, I can write recopy divided by 5. Okay student, now we can write 1 divided by 5 is 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now according to the KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip, we can write this as, so 1 divided by 5 multiply by 1 divided by 5 divided by 1 divided by 5, because the rule of KCF. Now if we simplify this, then it should be equal 1 divided by 25. Student, this is the final answer of this expression. If you can face an issue in this question, then comment. I will reply your question. And if you have new in my channel, then please subscribe and take care of your health. Thanks a lot again.